Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious but critical items, that you set the breakpoint in the right file and that any condition is valid, so disable it briefly to test. Next, make sure your debugger is attached to the correct process or session. Mismatched PID or detached sessions cause paused-looking hangs. Also verify debug symbols and module loading so the debugger maps source to runtime. Once these basics are validated, proceed to inspect thread and call stack state to see why execution stayed paused. Now dive into the program state. Read the call stack and top frame variables to detect exceptions, infinite loops, or blocking calls. If the UI says paused but the app is running, switch threads to locate the executing thread. Debuggers often stop one thread while another continues. Then inspect synchronization primitives, locks, semaphores, and pending I/O, because blocked threads commonly cause apparent pauses. While doing this, step or resume specific frames to observe behavior and isolate, where execution to finish, resume selectively. Use step over or step into to advance from the problematic location and watch state changes. If safe, apply hot reload or patch to test fixes without restart. If issues persist, rebuild with full debug symbols or attach a different debugger instance to rule out tool bugs. Finally, reproduce the problem in a minimal test case and collect logs or trace output so you can replay the pause. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip: restart the process and debugger with a clean environment to eliminate cached state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.